In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs and I Love PDF. We'll take a document you already have in Google Docs, turn it into a PDF, and add a clear professional signature using I Love PDF. By the end, you'll have a signed file you can download or share with confidence. Start by opening the Google Docs file you want to sign. Give it a quick review. Check names, dates, and any fields that need attention. It's much easier to fix wording before you create the PDF. At the top left, click File, then choose Download. From the list, select PDF Document, .pdf. Converting to PDF locks in your formatting so it looks the same on any device. The file will save to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. If prompted, choose a location you can find easily. Next, go to ilovepdf.com/sign-pdf. This tool lets you sign for yourself or request signatures from others. Click Select PDF File and upload the PDF you just downloaded. When the document loads, you'll see an option to pick who is signing. Choose Only Me if you're adding your own signature. Choose Several People if others also need to sign. If you select the multi-signer option, the site will guide you to assign signers to fields and collect signatures securely. Now customize your signature. You can type your name in a script font, draw with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your signature if you have one. Aim for readability and match the name that should appear on the document. If required, you can also prepare your initials. Click Apply to save your signature style. Then click the field you want to place, such as signature, date, or text, and drop it exactly where it belongs in the document. Use the zoom controls to place it precisely. Adjust the position and size by dragging the corners until everything aligns with the designated lines or boxes. Keep it proportional and avoid covering other content. When you're ready, click Sign to finalize. The service will process your file and prepare the signed PDF. If you use the multi-signer flow, it will track pending signatures until everyone finishes. Finally, click Download File to save the signed PDF. Rename it with something clear like document name/signed and store it where you keep your records. That's it. Done. You now have a clean, consistent PDF signed and ready to send or archive.